the Open for Business morning show. We're here with Mr. John Poole. Good evening, Mr. John Poole. What is it that you do with Project Purity?
Project Purity is a company that takes the coastline water of Libya and turns it into drinkable water.
What's the reason you created such a company?
Well, it turns out Libya's drinking water is transported from the Sahara Desert by the Great Man-Made River Project, which is commonly referred to as the GMR. Prior to my company, Libya's water supply came from underground aquifers, but the problem is that the water was of very poor quality. After the completion of the project, water came from a source under the desert that was created by melted glaciers. The new issue is that there's a finite amount of water that is running out. Also, there was a lot of damaged infrastructure in Libya after the Civil War. Because of this, funds that were used to keep the GMR going were being spent elsewhere, forcing workers associated with the project to be laid off. As a result, prices for anything containing water has gone up dramatically, and the lower classes are unable to afford it.
What are some challenges you faced while starting up your company over months ago?
Project Purity had planned to be a massive from the start, which means a lot of people were going to be needed. I tried to reach out to only the local run companies to help out, such as the Libyan Cement to supply the concrete for the plant, Thane, Coat, and Harp Mill for the pipeline coasting services, and Enka Construction for the contracting. But this is a movement that still needs more people. Although the company can stand on its feet now, it still needs more engineers to monitor machines so that we can further expand. I'm hoping that my local recruitment of engineers will help encourage the people of Libya to pursue engineering. Project Purity still has much room for expansion, and a company like this would need a large staff in order to supply most, if not all, of Libya's drinking water one day.
Is there anything that you did to make sure that this company in the long run will be more successful than the GMR?
As I stated earlier, one issue with the GMR is that that is a government-funded project, so when corruption occurs, things funded by the government can suffer. Project Purity is a privately owned company. As I also mentioned, I tried to get as many local companies as possible involved. That way the money goes directly back to the people of Libya and more jobs can be created.